Welcome to the new video on the New Link Media YouTube channel. When we were in Mumbai, the Amazon delivery boy called us. Mumbai, formerly called Bombay, is a densely populated city on India's largest city. What you are thinking now is not what you saw in the thumbnail. Now what you see in this video. Watch the whole video with stopping in half. When these iron rods are to be assembled, become a stand, so there is not much space required to carry them in vehicles. Let's see what items are in this box. The nut bolts used to lock the bicycle stand are shown in blue. 3 Allen-key bolts. Seeing a plastic plate. Let's see how this fits. We can fit a bicycle only if these 4 visible wires are straight. They are made of very high quality materials. Now you can see a tool that holds the bicycle. If you are buying a stand like this, it's best to buy a stand with a tray that can hold the tools. Have you seen this cycle restoration video? After fitting this bicycle to the stand, we have the bicycle compliant and can straighten it. We can catch any bicycle like this. You will not be able to draw a bicycle like this with your friends unless you see the restoration video of this scene bicycle on the New Link Media YouTube channel soon. If you even have a bicycle and you run a bicycle shop like this, you can easily repair a bicycle if you buy a stand like this. Subscribe to this channel. Share videos on this channel with your friends. You can watch different videos that we upload. Every U is safe and the next video will be available soon.